guys, my name's Megan.
And my name's Matt.
And we're wait, no we're not. But we are here to do the dollar store DIY challenge, husband versus wife style.
Okay, so you gotta tell me what this challenge is, because you've talked about it, but I have no idea what it actually is.
Okay, so basically what we're gonna do is we are gonna go into the Dollar Tree and we're each gonna pick out whatever items we feel like we're gonna need to make something, just completely out of your own head.
I have to make something?
Yeah.
This is crafty?
Well, it has DIY challenge in the name, so.
I stopped listening. The title was too long. Okay, what do I have to make? I just have to come up with something to make for you out of stuff I find in the Dollar Tree?
Yep, and we're gonna DIY something, and then we're gonna have you guys vote on who won this challenge. There will be a little poll. I'll put it up here, but at the end of the video. Okay, let's go.
So what's our budget here? Like $5–10 bucks?
Yeah, something like that. I mean, obviously we're trying to make something cheaper than we would buy it in the store.
Oh boy.
Okay, no peeking, no spying on me.
Alright, I got my basket. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. This is so overwhelming. Alright, I'm just gonna wander around until I get an idea.
Okay, I feel like this section is gonna be pretty helpful. I don't know, could I like do something with one of these, maybe?
I'm not sure I should be in the food aisle for a DIY video. Because isn't all food DIY?
I could use this as like raffia. It's a hula skirt.
I'm so uncreative. Why am I looking at light bulbs and batteries? Okay, I got it. I always talk about washing the cars and it's 100 degrees outside right now. So I'm going to make a car wash kit. So it's gonna be like a DIY car wash.
Can you hear him?
Alright, that's it. That's my idea. It's happening. Are you listening to me?
Okay, so I just saw these and I had this idea for like a little like straw bucket bag kind of a deal with like pom-poms. But it might be crazy. I'm gonna go for it. So I just saw these and I thought they were kind of like cute and boho-y. So I think I'm gonna change my mind, and instead of making a bag, I'm gonna do like a little like outdoor centerpiece, but like the same concept.
You've got an armful of stuff.
Yeah, so I may have been a little bit ambitious. Not quite sure how this is gonna turn out. I've got a mop, some fake flowers, this hat, a little floral foam thing, and then a little like glass thing with a candle in it. Oh, and burlap.
And what's that gonna be?
You'll see. Oh,
okay.
What you got over there, babe?
Stuff.
Feeling pretty confident?
Yep.
Alright, so I'm going to try to make like an outdoor centerpiece-y type deal. And I'm going to start with this hat. I'm going to take this red ribbon off because none of that, please. Ribbon has been removed. Okay, this is the part I'm the most nervous for. Gonna cut the brim off. Okay, so far so good. Alright, bottoms up. Now we have like this rough bucket shape, but I need it to be flat. Okay, I think I'm just gonna have to weight it down with this eventually. So the next thing I'm gonna do is take this mop. I chose it because it's a cotton mop and I like the yarn at the end. And I'm gonna use this to make pom-poms. I think I need about 5 of them. I'm gonna section this off and then I'm gonna start cutting them up. This feels so wrong. I'm sorry, Mom. So I'm just gonna take one of these pieces of yarn and tie it around the middle as tightly as I can. You know what? It's gonna work, but using one of the actual yarn things is gonna be too thick, which is exactly why I got the burlap. So this was already like unraveling at the dollar store, which is actually like why I got it. So I was like, oh, I can use that like twine. I've never made pom-poms before, so this is all gonna be like super trial and error. So I think I'm actually going to maybe try to cut this in half. Yeah, that looks much more like it. Okay, so now that I have all of those unraveled, I'm just gonna go around and like try to shape this into a ball and give it a little haircut.
1 hour later.
Okay, so this is the last of my pom-poms. I definitely made way too many. I'm only gonna use 5 of these, but I thought as long as I was doing this, I could always use them for another project. So I'm gonna pick out ones that I want to use and put the rest of them on the side. So now I'm just going to take long strands of this burlap and thread them through the little holes on our base. If anyone was wondering if getting a sewing pin stuck in your cuticle hurts, it does. 0 out of 10 would not recommend. So now to make this nice and easy, I'm just going to take this big needle, it's got a big head on it, thread that through the twine, and then I'm just going to stick it through one of our pom-poms here. And then I'm just looping that through again and tying it off. And now I'm just going to repeat that process 5 more times so that I get, I think I'm going to use 6 pom-poms. Okay, TBH, this would be way easier with thread, so I'm switching over to thread. You can also get these sewing kits at the dollar store. If you don't have one already, pick one up while you're there. Okay, now this would be super cute just on its own as like a basket that you could make for $2. But I'm extra, so I'm gonna add even a little bit more to it. We're gonna take this floral foam, which regrettably is a little bit too big, so I'm gonna shave off some of it, and then we're gonna stick some flowers in there, and then like a little candle centerpiece. All right, there we go, that fits in there now. Caution, this DIY is extremely messy. So now I'm just gonna take all these little flowers that I bought and just start snipping them off. Oh no, they have wire inside. And I'm just gonna place them into the floral foam. And then I'm gonna accent these big yellow ones with some other ones. I have these little thistle things, and then these are like little cotton and wheat buds with little pink coats.
I have wire cutters.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you willing to help the competition? Okay, so now that I have all these little pieces cut, I'm just gonna kind of go in and stick them randomly. All right, so this is what it looks like. And then because that isn't enough for me and I'm super extra, I'm also gonna stick in this little candle thing. Now, if you burned this candle, this would be a gigantic fire hazard. So I actually just got an unscented pillar candle, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna carve out the top and stick a tea light in it. If you wanted to just do the basket and like put the glass thing in it, you could use like a citronella candle to keep the bugs away if you live somewhere where bugs are an issue. Yay! So I'm just gonna stick this guy in. Whenever you want to turn him on, you just pop him out and bam! So this is what my finished project looks like. It's a bit of a mishmash. So you can put this on your patio, it would look super cute, and it'll give you a little bit of extra light. All right, that's all I got. You're up.
Anyway, that was really intense, and I'm not gonna do anything like that, and this is gonna take maybe 5 minutes. So you guys saw what I got, the microfiber cloth, and sponges, and 2 little mitzies, and then I got the towel, which is very dusty. So I'm like, I didn't get this to like make something like that out of it. That was beyond my wheelhouse, but maybe we can make like a cute little thing out of the bucket and the pieces. Look, see? Now it's a cute little dude. And he has a cape, so that must mean he's a superhero. See? Happy face. We'll pretend these are hands. They're like above his head like that. And so it's like, whoosh. But yeah.
Are you all done?
That's it. I'm done.
Can I come see?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
I made it cute.
That's so... I love that he has like the middle-aged old man bald spot like Ted in Scrubs.
Oh yeah.
I like yours because it like actually has like practical application. Like we can make a little date out of like washing the car.
Yep. We talked about it, we talked about it for like 3 years, but we should just wash it because it's free.
That's cute. All right, so final showdown here. We are going to put a poll up on over here, right?
So.
Tell us who you think won this DIY challenge. Was it my basket wreath light thing, or was it Nat's car wash superhero?
Would you rather spend 2 hours on this or 5 minutes on this?
Okay, that's cheating. I don't know, what do you think?
I like mine better. No, I am always amazed at what you can take out of nothing and make something out of.
I'm just excited to use this. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please let us know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video and if we should do more of these husband versus wife challenges, because I had a lot of fun.
Yes, I had fun too.
He did. He had fun.
Even though I'm terrible at this stuff.
I think you're great. You did a great job. I love Car Wash Superhero.
Yay! He's my best friend. Hey, you're my best friend.
Also, please don't forget to subscribe and go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That way we know that we should be making more videos like this. Okay, so my camera died, so I'm taking that as a sign that I should wrap this up, but I will see you guys all in my next video, and I hope you're having a great day.